The RM1834 is our heavy-duty model. It is suitable for busy environments where demand is high, like busy food service outlets or QSRs. It is dual Magnetron and has a 34-litre capacity with up to 100 pre-programmed menus for multi-stage cooking. To set up your RM1834, first remove all packaging materials and protective plastic from the machine. Install your microwave on a firm level surface at counter height only, approximately 800 to 1100 mm. Any higher or lower, and this can cause damage to the door hinges during use. The same model can be stacked on top of the microwave as long as there is a clearance of 300 mm above the second microwave. It cannot be positioned on top or immediately above a different appliance. This is because it could obstruct airflow. Maintain a clearance of 150 mm around the back and sides to allow for airflow. Connect to your power supply, ensure all switches are in the off position prior. To start using your microwave, place the food to be cooked or heated in a microwave-safe container or dish. Open the door and place your food inside. Then, close the door and ready will display. To set your cooking time, press Time Entry, and then manually enter your time using the numeral keypad. Then, select your desired power level by pressing one of the power level options. Press Start to begin cooking. To pause cooking, press Stop or open the door. To reset, press Stop again whilst paused or when the door is open and the remaining time will clear. The staged cooking feature can allow the microwave to cook in sequences of up to 3 different times and power settings, which will run sequentially one after the other without further input from the user. To set stage 1, place the food to be cooked or heated in the oven in a microwave-safe container. Close the door and ready will be displayed. Set the cooking time by pressing Time Entry and then enter the desired time using the numeral keypad. Select your desired power by pressing the desired power percentage, skipping for 100%. To add the next stage after this, simply press Time Entry again, and stage 2 will be displayed. Enter your desired time and power level like before. If a stage 3 is required, simply repeat this again. To begin cooking, press Start, and the stage program will then run automatically without user input, and the total time for all stages will be displayed. There are 10 pre-programmed menus with multi-stage cooking. These can be increased up to 100. To set up a program menu, open the door and hold 1 for 5 seconds, and the display will read Program. Enter which program number you would like to change/set. The current cooking time will then display. Use the numeral keypad to enter a new time. No need to press Time Entry. Then, to set a power level, select one of the power level options, skipping for 100%. Press Start to save or Stop to cancel. This input will then be set to the menu number as a pre-programmed sequence. To use the pre-programmed sequence, simply open the door and place your food inside. Close the door and ready will display. Select your pre-programmed menu number and it will run automatically, displaying the total time and power level. To pause or reset the microwave, simply press Stop or open the door. You can also pre-program stage cooking sequences. To do this, simply follow the same steps. Open the door and press 1 for 5 seconds until program displays. Then, simply enter the number you wish to program and enter your desired time and power level. To enter a second stage, press Time Entry again, and stage 2 will display. Then, enter your desired time followed by power level. Then, press Start to save. If you had wished to enter a third stage, you would simply repeat the last step again before saving. To set your microwave for up to 100 programs, you will need to adjust your operating settings. To do this, open the door and hold 2 for 5 seconds. Op will appear. Then, select 9 for the double-digit setting. Press 9 again and 91 will display. This is the setting to adjust from 10 programs to 100, which is referenced in your operating manual. Press Start to save the setting. When you next go to use the pre-programmed menu, you will need to enter your desired number using double digits. As seen on screen, we are entering number 75 by pressing number 7, followed then by number 5. To enter a single digit like 7, for example, you would need to enter number 0, followed by number 7. The microwave features a double quantity function, which can be used when you're wanting to heat more than one quantity of the same food at the same time. The feature can only be used in conjunction with a pre-programmed menu. To use, simply select the pre-programmed menu number you wish to run and then press the ×2 button in the next 5 seconds. The program will then be doubled on the display. Regular cleaning of the oven will prevent the buildup of oil and food deposits, keeping the microwave looking new. Avoid using any toxic and abrasive cleaning agents as they may damage the components both inside and out. The control panel, door frame, seal and parts should be cleaned carefully with a warm damp cloth. After use, clean up any spilled liquids, food or sputter and oils as quickly as possible, as if the oven is used whilst dirty, the food may get stuck on the interior. The interior can be cleaned with a mild detergent and warm water. It is important to clean the air filter regularly to avoid clogging and overheating the microwave. To clean the filter, unfasten the mounting screws and remove the filter. Wash with warm soapy water until unclogged and then dry off and reinstall by fastening the screws. Never use items containing metal as they may cause sparks. Plastic foam should also not be used as it may melt and contaminate the food.